Hello everyone, Andy here. So today I want to talk a little bit about the hardware build I did last time with this retro case for the Raspberry Pi. Actually, it started all with this retro console. Here is a rebuild of the Mega Drive. I had one when I was a child. Unfortunately, I don't have it anymore, so I thought it would be a great thing to have one of these just for fun. As I found out, the quality of this one is not that great. Actually, the hardware is not bad, at least the case. It's quite sturdy, looks good, looks realistic, but the emulator on this is not very good and it's not easy to hack. And I'm not a programmer, so it's just a hobby project. Somehow I ended up having one of these puppies, Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus. On AliExpress I stumbled upon this case, MegaPi case from Retroflag. It's actually quite good quality. You saw me last time building this. So you have connections here, two controllers, you have access to the other two USB and the Ethernet port. You have a HDMI out, micro USB for power, and the audio jack, 3.5mm. You have here a compartment where you can put in some SD card or something if you like. You have a safe on off switch, a reset button, and here is access to the micro USB card. Yeah. As I said, I think it's quite a good quality. It comes with the cooling elements, 3 pieces, and instructions and everything. The only thing which is not that great is the fan. Actually, it's not great quality, but it works and it's not excessively loud. Only thing, the self-tappers which came with it, with the case for the fan, are too long and would break through the casing, so I didn't put them in, but it's actually not really needed because there's a kind of plastic clamps which holds in the fan anyway. Yeah. So after the build I put on some software here. Friend Google meant it's easier to use Recalbox, but this Recalbox thing didn't work. Tried it twice or 3 times, didn't work for some reason. So actually now is RetroPi on this, and I have not loaded games on it yet. I have downloaded a few, but I still have to do this. But it's quite time consuming, so at some point I will find the time to do it. Yeah. So I hope this was interesting for you. I hope I didn't forget anything to mention. Yeah. Actually I have another one of these in the Nintendo NES design, or Super Nintendo, actually this Super Nintendo design, or Super Famicom, if you like. I will do a review of that later. Maybe I do a build for my brother, because he had a Super Nintendo when he was a child. I always was the Sega guy, he was the Nintendo guy. So maybe in another video for sure I do a review on the other case. Maybe I also will show you the build of the other one. So actually I have 2 more of these guys, so probably I want to try to make a pi hole for my network, see what that brings. Yes, okay. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.